Says Winter 1993 Club Kidsoft. Bookhouse. We're in the world as Carmen Sandiego. We're in the USA. We're in Europe. We're in time. We're in America's past. Dinosaur adventure. I believe this is one of the first Club Kidsofts. So it has a lot less features, a lot less demos, Fatty Bears, something. And it's really hard to read the titles. Kid Picks Companion, Kid Picks, Kid Cuts, Storybook Weaver, Mario Teaches Typing, Kid Works 2. Kid Art, The Writing Center, My Own Stories. Early Learning, we have Alphabet Blocks, Ready for Letters by Rita Rabbit, Rodney's Fun Screen, Math House, The Playroom, Kid Desk, I believe I have one of the playrooms, Snapdragon, Putt Putt, Bookhouse, A Silly Noisy House, Curious George, another Putt Putt, Sticky Bears Early Learning, Fatty Bears something, and Rabbit, Geography and History, Swamp Gas, Operation U.S. Presidents, We're in the World as Carmen Sandiego, all the Carmen Sandiegos. And quite a few. Hardware. Speakers. Maths. Number Munchers, Treasure Math Storm, Outnumbered by Super Solvers, Math Rabbit, and Sticky Bear's Math Town. Reading. Sticky Bear's Reading Room, Word Tales, Reader Rabbit 2, Word Munchers, Super Solvers Midnight Rescue, Super Solvers Spellbound, Mercer Mayer's Just Grandma and Me, Arthur's Teacher Trouble, Four-Footed Friends by Zoom Books. Reference, no titles, Science, Dinosaur Adventure, Cypher, and The Animals. The Special Codes of Cypher is actually what it's called. The Lost Tribe, The Oregon Trail, Sim City, Sim Ant, Super Munchers, Super Tetris. I'm gonna have to play some of those. Wordtris and the Amazon Trail. And that is Club Kidsoft, Winter 1993.